Hello, this is Tox. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make French toast. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. This is made based on a request on one of my video, and I hope the one who requested for this is watching. For this I'll be using some sliced bread, 4 eggs, 150 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and vanilla flavor to taste. To get started, whisk together your milk, egg, cinnamon and vanilla flavor. Then set aside. I will be using butter toast for my toast. Feel free to use any bread you have. In case you don't have sliced bread, you can as well cut out the slices you need yourself, but ensure they are not too thick. In this video, I'll be using air fryer and sandwich maker for my French toast. Ensure you grease or spray with some oil before use. And in case you don't have air fryer or sandwich maker, feel free to use a non-stick pan. Brush with some butter before use. If you are using a pan, you cook on each side for about 2 minutes. For those using air fryer, you cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes on each side. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tox, and on this channel I post healthy and yummy recipes. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. So do you have any recipe requests you would love to see on the channel? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like, watch and subscribe. See you in my next video.